Arizona's Move Over law is designed to save lives and keep those stranded or working on the side of the road safe. The Move Over law requires that motorists move over one full lane anytime there's a vehicle on the side of the road with hazard lights flashing or emergency lights activated. If road conditions or the amount of lanes available don't allow motorists to move over one full lane, the law asks that you then slow down and be prepared to stop in case someone unexpectedly enters the roadway.
Besides being Arizona law, this provides a safer space for law enforcement, first responders, and tow truck operators to perform their necessary duties. So by you moving over, you're saving lives. Move over, Arizona. It's the law.
For more information, go to moveoveraz.org.